Yet a lingering question remains. How should people respond to such warnings? Well, we'll have more on that in just a moment, but first, let's take a look at tonight's headlines. Local elections in Germany put Merz to the test. And Moldova is at crossroads for its European path. And Russia is spinning off its own Eurovision contest. It's been quite an unsettling week in Poland. Now, air raid sirens shook eastern Poland on Saturday due to Russian attacks in Ukraine, triggering unease across cities from Lublin to Chelm. Now, this comes just days after Russian drones breached Polish airspace in an unprecedented drone strike, pushing NATO and Polish armed forces to scramble their jets.